tell you how to solve Rubik's Cube 3 into 3. So I have a Diane Janshi. Before you learn how to solve Rubik's Cube, you need to know cube notations like up clockwise. Up clockwise means that you will turn the up layer clockwise, and up anti-clockwise means the opposite, like that. Right clockwise, right anti-clockwise, left clockwise, left anti-clockwise, front, down and back. Just remember this all, okay? Now I will shuffle my cube, and at last I'll show you that how much time I will take to solve a cube, or 3 into 3 to be fair, not a cube. Okay. First we need to make a cross. I choose the white side. You can choose any side you want. So first we need to make the cross by the edge pieces. These are the edge pieces and these are the corner pieces and these are the center pieces. Okay, remember it. First we need to align it, but see that these both are aligned but these both are not aligned. So to align it we need a orange center. So we got it, so we should turn it. Okay, and yes, we can't turn and change the position of a centerpiece. So I am going to solve all the solve the edge pieces and make a cross, and I'll see you back in just 1 minute. All this will be recorded. And here the cross is solved. Then we need the corner pieces. Here we need a corner pieces with white, green and red, and here it is. So to get it, just we need to turn it like this one. Here it comes, so we need to turn it one like this. So see, if we keep like this and turn this piece, it goes back, and if again we turn this area, it matches. So like that you can do with all the pieces, but in special cases it goes up. When it goes up, first you need to bring the edge piece. First you need to bring it to the area where the edge piece is. This is the line. Then first you should keep it here. Then you move that edge piece, then turn this edge piece, then bring it down so it comes down, and you can easily bring them to the white area. Okay, and comment down below if you can't understand any some things or anything, or you have any questions with the cube solving. Okay, then here we have solved the first layer. This is called the first layer, this is called the second layer, this is called the third layer. Now the notations will come in use. First we need the edges to be here. Here we need a red and blue, and here it is. And to be fair, this is a dark blue and it looks to you light blue. Okay, we need this here So first we need to align the color which we can see without turning the cube. We are seeing the red, so align it with the red color. Okay, and if in some cases it have to go here, so there is a different notation for it, but now it should go here, so I am telling you the notation for it. First is down clockwise, sorry, it should go here, so it should be down anti-clockwise, right clockwise, sorry, right anti-clockwise, down clockwise, right clockwise, down clockwise, front clockwise, down anti-clockwise, and see it's paired up and this. Okay, and then front anti-clockwise. Okay, now see this came here. Now we need other to be there, so I will show you. I am solving it till the special exception comes of here, the edge piece to come here. I just got it even to come here. For that we need down clockwise, left clockwise, down anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise, down anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise, down clockwise, front clockwise. Okay, now it came here. Now I am solving the second layer and I'll come back. Just wait for a second. Okay, done. Now this is the last layer. First, there are three exceptions which can come. There will be a cross, there will be a line, or there will be a L-like structure. To solve the L-like structure, first we need the L to be in a right hand side, and it should cover our front and right hand side. Okay, to make it a line, we need to do the following steps, and then we can make it to a cross. To do it, first we need front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Okay, understand? You have to do this, and I messed it up by mistake, so I am coming back in a sec. And yes, I will do it in one part by itself. Just one sec, please. And yes, I didn't show you this exception, that in the second layer sometimes the edge pieces come here and there is no here in this layer. So for that, first we need to exchange with the useless edge like this, which should not go here. First we need to exchange it with a useful which can be used here, and then we can get it and use it here. Do the algorithms which I told you. Okay, now again it comes. To complete it, Again I'm telling the steps if I told it wrong. Front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, and front anti-clockwise. Okay, see, here is a line. After that L, it comes a line. There's some chances you can get line at first or cross. So after the line, again you have to do it, but the line should cover your right hand side and left hand side. Do the same process again. Okay, now here's a cross. Now we need to align it with the centers. To do it, first we need to search and make one edge aligned like this. Then we have to, if there are two, I'll show you the exception. First I'm showing you if you can only connect one. For this notation for it is, first you need to keep it in your front and do it. First you have to do right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, and 2 times up clockwise, and then right anti-clockwise, and then you can see all your edges are solved. If there are 2 edges, then you have to keep it in the in your front one unsolved edge, and in your side another, in your left another unsolved edge, and do it. Okay, now it comes to the corners. Here all the corners are solved, but I'm showing you what happens if no corners are solved. Wait for a second. Okay, now here only one corner is solved and all other are not solved. So first we need the solved corner to be in our right hand side, and it can be twisted like this, but that should be in the correct, or it doesn't matter the correct orientation, but it should be in the correct place. Okay, and if you turn like this and solve the whole cube, it can't be solved. So please don't do it. I will just want to show you. Okay, after this, keep it in the left hand side, then do this: up clockwise, right clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, and left clockwise. Okay, and see if other corners are solved. It's not solved in this case, and so do it again, the steps again, till some corners are solved. Now you can see all the corners are solved, but these two are wrongly orientated. So I suggest this way to keep the unorientated edges, corners in your down. Then do this right. It will mess up the whole cube, but don't worry. Right, up, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise. Do it till this is not this doesn't come correctly orientated. Continue it. See, now it's correctly orientated, and if it's orientated in this step, don't miss the up anti-clockwise, because it's very important. Then here it is. Think if here a wrongly orientated piece is there, don't move it like this. It should move in down clockwise manner. Okay, and do it again, and it will be solved. Continue it and see. Now just the down part will be left, and just turn it, and the whole cube is solved. Okay, now as I told, at last I will solve the cube as fast as I can, and I am going to first shuffle it, then I will solve it. Okay, just wait. Okay, I'm starting to solve it from now. My best time record is 13 seconds, says Joku. My best time record is 1 minute 13 seconds, not 13 seconds, sorry. It takes me a lot of time, so please be here. I don't have a stopwatch, so you can see the time, but I will not see. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, first let's solve. I think so I did it. It will take me 2 minutes to do in the camera. Just practice it so you can do it very fast. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, then and if no corner pieces are orientated, then do that process which I told, and one corner pieces will at least be orientated. I've completed the cube.